Welcome back. I'm Anuradha Modak, and today I'm here to discuss an inquiry based meditation. Today is the first day of rest of your life. So continue to enjoy the experience of being here. Sit comfortably. This is going to be an inquiry based meditation to understand and see yourself better, to let go, to trust, and to feel safe in the present now. Take deep breaths in and out. Deep breath in and out. Be whatever your condition of emotion today were, you can always find peace and satisfaction within you now. The now is constantly moving into past. The now, which is constantly expanding. The now, which is timeless as you are. Peace and love is what you are made up of. This stage is effortless stage for you. On the contrary, it takes efforts of thoughts to cause disturbance in this evergreen space inside you. To go back to your own space, just let it go. Open your consciousness inside, and you are peaceful again. You are in your safe zone again. Allow the consciousness to see through you. Allow the presence to feel through you. Allow the body to work for you. Allow your creations to reveal for you. You are safe. You have touched the most intelligent part of you. Trust yourself and allow to be here. Expand the godself consciousness and expand it through you. Detach with everything else. Just be in the flow in this timeless now. Take deep breath in and out. Relax your ego. The ego is there to help us fight back. Relax it and it will align itself. Let it flow naturally rather than be in the flow based on mind. Let your heart speak for you today. Expand your consciousness. The wider you expand your consciousness, the wider you see the connectivity with all. You may not see this quality beyond this present or beyond this relaxation. You are loved. People may say they love you. You will feel and believe it only when you reach your own love. Let's forgive ourselves today. Forgive those who hurt you. Those were also part of you and your own projection. Forgiveness is sweet. So love yourself. Love your inability to love you. Love your ability to love yourself as well. Love your excellence. Love your beauty. Love those ugly parts as well. Because the perfection and the imperfection within, they are the same energy projected. When you reach a situation you cannot do anything about, just let it float, and you will be in your own space. You will have great success and abundance in your life, because it is always the love which is coming back to you as your abundance or success. Your love is your own signature style. Take a deep breath within. Accept your body. Accept yourself now. Your body is your own thoughts manifested. From this love, trust, and safe feeling inside, start your fresh day today. Irrespective of all those abandonments, disappointments, neglect in all those relationships, they are just the thoughts from past. Even if you loved someone with all your heart and they disconnected with you, it is still a thought. You are safe now. Next time, when there is any fear, doubt, anger coming up in your story, in your mental diet, you know how to immediately calm it down. Because now you have decided to make friends with your mind. Your mind is no more running the show, but has learned to listen to you, and you take the lead. You both are working cohesively together. Your soul, mind, and the divine energy and self is all in flow. Take deep breath in and out. You can always trust yourself. As you learn to trust yourself, you will slowly learn to trust others as well, because others are nothing else but your own projection. You're always safe and loved in your own space when you are fully relaxed. So relax some more now. Deep breath in and out. Thank you so much. Have a wonderful life. Take care.